Imagine asking AI a question about your own documents. The answer sounds confident. It looks accurate. But the correct answer was sitting in the database the whole time. And the AI never even looked at it. The surprising part? That's not a bug. It's exactly how many AI systems are designed. When AI searches your documents, contracts, grants, policies, or case files, it usually doesn't reread everything every time you ask a question. That would be far too slow. Instead, it searches a vector index, often using an algorithm called HNSW, short for Hierarchical Navigable Small World. Think of it like a librarian in a hurry. Instead of searching the entire library, they only check the shelves closest to the entrance. Most of the time, that's enough. But sometimes the book you're looking for is deeper inside. So the librarian says, "We don't have it." Or worse, they hand you the wrong book because it looked close enough. That's the trade-off. Speed over certainty. Here's what most people don't realize. The larger your document collection becomes, the harder this search gets. As more information fills the database, similar documents crowd together. The search starts returning good enough matches instead of the best ones. The first questions to fail aren't the common ones. They're the rare, highly specific questions, the ones that often matter most. And because everyday searches still work, no one notices. Here's the dangerous part. The retrieval system can confidently deliver the wrong information before the language model even begins generating an answer. You can verify the AI's response all you want, but if the search never found the right document, the model never had a chance. The real weak link isn't always the AI. It's what the AI retrieved. If you're building AI systems, don't just measure speed, measure retrieval recall. How often the system actually finds the right information. Retrieve more candidates, re-rank them, and test the difficult questions, not just the easy ones. If you're buying AI software, ask one simple question. What happens to retrieval accuracy as our document collection grows? If the conversation is only about speed, you probably have your answer. Because trustworthy AI isn't only about checking what the model says, it's about making sure it found the right thing to say in the first place. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on AI, grant writing, and nonprofit success. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.